Boost your English skills, predicting content based on context. Hello, dear learners. We're going to dive deep into a critical aspect of listening comprehension today, predicting content based on context. This is an active listening technique that's especially useful when you're listening to academic lectures and presentations in English. Predicting content based on context is an active listening strategy where we try to anticipate what might be coming next in a conversation, lecture, or presentation. This involves using the information we already have, such as the topic, the speaker's expressions, the words they've used, and the overall situation, to make educated guesses about the speaker's future points. This strategy not only enhances our understanding of the subject matter, but it also improves our overall listening skills. Why should we predict content? Great question. Predicting content helps us to stay engaged with what we're listening to, making it easier to follow along. By actively trying to figure out what the speaker might say next, we are more attentive and less likely to zone out or miss important details. This strategy also makes the material more relatable and easier to remember since it involves a higher level of thinking and mental involvement. So, how do we predict content based on context? Here are some steps to guide you. 1. Identify the topic. Determine the general subject matter of the talk. The topic can usually be gathered from the title, introduction, or initial comments from the speaker. 2. Use prior knowledge. Apply what you already know about the topic to anticipate the kind of information that might be shared. 3. Listen to the language. Pay attention to transitional phrases like, in addition, however, for example, which can provide clues about what will be discussed next. 4. Look for nonverbal cues. Notice the speaker's body language and tone of voice. These can provide extra information about what they might discuss next. 5. Make inferences. Use all the information you've gathered to make an educated guess about what comes next. Remember, it's okay if your predictions aren't always correct. The goal here is to stay engaged and improve your listening skills. That's all for today, folks. Remember, predicting content based on context is a valuable skill that can greatly improve your comprehension and enhance your active listening. Keep practicing, and over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your English language skills. Until next time, happy learning!